We're going to start out with some beginner strategies here, and one of those is VWAP. Why do prop firms teach VWAP, and why is it important for you? Let's dive into both what it is and how you can use it. VWAP is considered a more reliable indicator of a stock's true value compared to other price averages such as the simple moving average, SMAs, because it takes into account both price and volume of trades. This makes it a useful tool for traders of all levels and one of the most commonly taught indicators on reputable trading floors across the board where traders are looking to make informed buying or selling decisions. So what exactly is VWAP? Simple. VWAP is calculated by taking the total traded value of stock and dividing it by the total volume of shares traded. One common use of VWAP is to set it as a benchmark for executing trades. By using VWAP as a benchmark, traders are given an easy method to ensure they are buying or selling at a fair price in relation to the overall market of the stock that day. Many institutional traders even add VWAP algos to their daily routine, meaning if they are instructed to buy or sell a large number of shares in one session, they will deploy a VWAP algo to execute the trade at or slightly better, if possible, than the volume-weighted average price. This can also help to minimize market impact and reduce the chance of slippage. Now, the other most common use of VWAP is as a trailing stop loss. I like this one. Once a trader is in the money on a trade, simply setting a VWAP-based trailing stop acts as a safety net for profits and can protect their gains by automatically selling their position if the price moves below a certain level relative to the volume-weighted average price. To effectively trade with VWAP, it's important to have a good understanding of market conditions and the dynamics of the stock being traded. This includes understanding factors such as the stock's liquidity, volatility, and order flow. It's also important to have a clear plan for entering and exiting trades and to have the discipline to stick to that plan. Do not be Leroy Jenkins, even in the face of market volatility. Use it, however, as a gauge on how good your price is versus the overall market of the stock that day. In conclusion, trading with VWAP can be a valuable tool for traders looking to make informed decisions and maximize their profits. By using VWAP as a benchmark or trailing stop, traders can minimize market impact, reduce slippage, and protect their profits. Be sure to grab our daily watch list at TraderTV.Live and follow us live every single day. And for more informational videos, check out more TraderTV.Live. Great channel for educational content. We'll see you in the markets.